what kind of an impact do you think social media is, playing on everybody's lives, and especially the Gen Z who's seen the social media come into their lives, and it's like an integral part. I'm not saying it's now even with others, people who are elderly, but the Gen Z are totally into it.
I will say social media is like a buffet spread. Everything is there available. You have to have the wisdom to choose what you want to eat,
And
what you can digest.
And how do you get that wisdom? Because suddenly you have everything in front of you.
No.
You feel and you think you know everything, but then you don't want to reach out, and then there's peer pressure. There's so many things, which are there again.
So this is what I say, know your body, heal yourself. Know yourself, what company suits you, what thoughts, whether you like to mix with a group that has a leg and a peg a day, or you want to mix with a group that has satsang and Hari Bhajan day. They're different. So you select that, okay, this is what I want, this gives me happiness, then I have to associate with this group. That's there. So social media also will have so many plethora of messages coming. What you want to see and want to delete. There are certain things you just see and delete. Okay, I don't want. Or exit the group, and some you want to join and enjoy it. So we have to use it intelligently, and intelligence comes with our introspection and deciding what we want. जो आपको बताऊं, इंद्रियों का सुख, हम जब अध्यात्म में जाएंगे तो जब हम इंद्रियों के सुख के अधीन हो जाते हैं तो ही प्रॉब्लम आता है. We should control our desires. Right, desires controlling us. That's all the difference.
But you can still enjoy life, being in this world. Doesn't mean that you have to denounce everything and move to the woods.
No. What I'm saying is, मर्यादा में सब कुछ अच्छा है.
Absolutely. So
you can have a gulab jamun, but not 10 gulab jamuns.
Right.
So there's a limit, there's a maryada, there's a thing. So everything is good within the limit, and the limits will vary from person to person, situation to situation.
Yeah, balance is the key.
Yeah, balance is required.
Yeah.
Support to empower. World Mental Health Day Mega Workshop.